Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I apparently while recording forgot to have my mic on. Just happens like that. Got to be more careful and stuff. But basically, just don't expect my mouth movements to match what you're hearing. I'll probably honestly just skip over anything I was saying because it's lost into the ether, whatever I was. Um, and then also, I wanted to say that this ambient audio you're going to be listening to is by Divider Line. He makes basically ambient horror soundscapes. I think I would like to say. Um, Basically, for horror movies, for whatever you want, it's royalty free. So I gotta shout out him because it's pretty cool that he does that and stuff. But yeah, so here's a video. I hope you like it. Here's a little glimpse into how you can solo stuff. I'm trying to be a solo YouTuber and stuff, so here's a little glimpse into what that's like. Yeah, hope you like it. Hey, so basically I'm going over here just showing what I came up with as a rough idea. This was basically drawn just with my mouse, just as like a concept of what I wanted as my channel icon. I'm basically just going over what I'm gonna do, which is basically I'm just gonna take this idea, I'm gonna go take a new sketch from scratch, and then I'm going to, once I like that sketch, I'm gonna make the final lines for it, and then I'm gonna color it in, and then I'm gonna do some touch-ups. So those are the steps I'm gonna go through. Here I'm just checking to see what my final icon's going to look like, because in this case on YouTube it's going to be rounds. I think on Twitter it's also round, so it's got to be round and look good. So I'm just making sure that the shape will look good. So I decided about here that I didn't really want just a plain black background. Like that would be okay, but I wanted something more interesting, and I didn't want to really come back to it. I just figured I wanted to do it right the first time. So I decided I'm gonna go make a background here. So you're gonna see me go through all the steps I did previously, but for the background. Hey guys, so this is the final output I got. I decided to go back in and shade some more, so that's why you see the cut, and I'm wearing a different hat and stuff. But yeah, I hope you liked watching it. I hope you like it. I really like the outcome. I think it's pretty cool. Um, yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Please tell me what you liked about it. And all that stuff really helps. If you didn't like the video, that's fine too. Let me know what you didn't like about it. Let me know what you think could be improved. I don't really do a lot of art stuff, but if you guys liked it, let me know, and maybe I'll do more. If you didn't like it, maybe I know, and I won't do any more, or do it less, or whatever. But I thought it was really fun. I had a good time, and I think it came out really great. Oh, real quick shout out before I forget. Uh, Big shout out to Divider Line for providing the sounds for this. Once again, you can find his stuff in the comments below. He makes pretty good ambient soundscapes, and it's all royalty free. So if you guys want to do stuff with it, it's all up to you. So yeah, that's very cool of him. Big shout outs to him. Go check out his stuff in the link below.